Alright friends, I'm going to talk about air controls and air control kits. This is a standard 1-inch air control. It's simply an open air control. Basically when you twist this, it pulls a pintle up and opens it, allows air. The way the system works is you have these manifolds that are hooked to this. These hoses go to a jet body that sucks air if the jet is turned on and pulling water. And so it's a very simple setup. The way these things work is, for instance, I have this kit where it'll be the valve, it'll be this, it'll be 8 of these 3/8 barbs, it'll be 4 plugs in case you need to plug off one of these. It'll either be a barb plug or a slip plug, or it will be a barb plug right here with the 3/8 barb. So you could basically do it like this. You could take this and slip it inside there and glue it. You could glue this and then you would jump from here to another one. So you could even add that to the end of it. So you can add these kits together. We have these manifolds, by the way, individually that'll have this. It'll have a plug that will work either direction, and it'll also have the 4 plugs. Or you can buy this manifold that has the 12 barbs on it. It's got 6 on each side. It's 1-inch slip or street by 1-inch slip. What street means is that glues inside of something. You see it'll glue inside there. And then slip means that something will glue inside of it right there. But these are all 3/8 barbs. This is going to be generally air control stuff. So one of the kits is going to be this. It's going to be this manifold with the 8 barbs, that, 24 inches of 3/8, and that with a plug to plug it off. Or we have it with this, so it'll give you a 9th barb. Or we would have this kit that's 12 barbs with 8 extenders right there, 24 inches, and that. So all of these things can be found in our stores. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. I am the spa guy. Go there today and buy 1-inch air controls. Kits, yes indeed.